Okay, hello. In this lesson, in this I lesson, we're going to be looking at how to do a recording of our voiceover for Audacity. It's a pretty straightforward process, but instead of just recording it and starting to build our project in Audacity, what I'm going to do is record it and then export it as a standalone file. What this means is that we can keep the file nice and clean, so if we can then play with our sound clip or with our voiceover on Audacity, we've always got something to go back to. We don't have to keep re-recording it. You'll get the idea as we go along anyway. So I've opened Audacity already. Really straightforward just to record. Simple as you just click on the record button. So I was just going to record a test sound clip and show you how to export it. Here we go. Okay, testing, 1 2 1 2, testing 1 2. Okay, I've recorded just a little testing. That was pretty rubbish, but it's just to give you the idea of how to do the recording. Okay, so I can play that back. Here we go. Okay, testing 1 2 1 2, testing. Okay, that'll do. Right, what we're going to do now is just export it. So instead of just starting to dump all our other bits of music and bits and pieces for our radio adverts down here, what I'm going to do is go to File, Export WAV. WAV is just a file format, same as MP3 or something like that. It's just a different file format, and we'll save it in. Let's save it in music. That's what I've done before, so just quite test. Okay, save. There we go. We can close this down now. We don't need this. We don't need to save it because it's already been exported. So no. If we then go into music, you should see it, and there it is. And if I double click on it, it'll just play in the default player. Okay, testing 1 2 1 2, testing. There you go. Just plays in the default player. So it's a standalone music file or voice file. Okay, we can close it down. Let's start Audacity again. Project import audio. I'm just going to import that back in. That might seem like a bit of a daft thing to do. But what it means, like I said, we can actually manipulate this now. I can play with this. So I'm going to cut all that out. So I'm going to cut that out. Just cut it. It's kind of gone. There it is. I'll decide. Actually, I didn't want to do that. So I'm just delete it. Project import audio. I'll just import it again. Just makes it easy. So we don't have to keep re-recording this if we change it and we don't like what we've done. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. So once you've done that, you can start adding in. Once you've imported your voiceover WAV file into your Audacity project, you can start adding all the music and the other bits and pieces and any sound effects you want to do. Okay, that's the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching.